how to update the driver. So right click to Windows icon, go to device manager. Okay, so one by one update. This is mic, speaker. Okay, so right click to update driver and search automatically. So basically this driver update from officially websites automatically. Now speaker. Okay, then guys, display driver, it might be show if you using graphic card, so it will be show your graphic card model number, so you can update the driver, search automatically and wait few seconds. Okay, after you completed all, then restart your system. Okay, so that is a keyboard, like I'm using PS2 keyboard. Okay, so it is same update driver and then automatic. Then again monitor, right click to update driver, search automatically. Okay, and this is network, so important. If you're using, you have some Wi-Fi, so you can same right click to update and update automatically. Close. If you're showing the Wi-Fi driver, so same select this and upgrade driver. Okay, and usual, so right click to update. So you can try one by one all. Close. And if you showing some error like that, so you can click on this scan for the hardware changes and then click it. Same right click to update driver. Could not find driver, so you have to install driver from websites. Okay, thank you. So guys, next, how to check DNS setting and how to add Google DNS. Okay, so click to start, click the setting, network and internet. Ethernet. Okay, there are two type of network. Okay, edit, manual, IPv4, type 8.8.8 4 times 8 and second 8.8.4.4. This is Google DNS. Okay, then click to save. Okay, it is showing here, then close, then you can restart your system and check. Thank you. So this is SFC scanner. So how to run, this is command. I will give you this command in the video descriptions. So open CMD, click to start and type CMD, right click to run as administrator, then yes. So this is first command. Okay, copy and paste. If guys it is not copy paste, so you can type manually. Okay, so step by step, one by one, enter the command. This is first, second, third, fourth. Then second, then third, then last